Starting a fitness journey can feel overwhelming. With so many options, where do you begin? The good news is, there's a perfect workout style for everyone. Whether you seek improved flexibility, increased strength, or a quick calorie burn, the right workout awaits. Let's explore a few popular options. Yoga, an ancient practice originating in India, connects mind and body. Through controlled breathing and poses, yoga enhances flexibility and balance. It's a fantastic way to relieve stress and improve posture. Yoga is for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Beginners can start with gentle classes like Hatha Yoga. As you progress, explore dynamic styles like Vinyasa. Pilates focuses on core strength and precise, controlled movements. It's a method that emphasizes the mind-body connection, ensuring that each movement is performed with intention and awareness. Developed by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century, this innovative approach to fitness was initially designed to help injured athletes and dancers safely return to exercise and maintain their fitness. This workout uses specialized equipment like the Reformer, Cadillac, and Wunda chair, as well as mat exercises that can be done anywhere. Each piece of equipment offers unique benefits and challenges. Pilates improves posture, balance, and flexibility, while strengthening deep core muscles. It's particularly effective for enhancing body alignment and coordination, which can translate to better performance in other physical activities. Regular Pilates practice can lead to a stronger core, preventing back pain and improving overall stability. The exercises are designed to be low impact, making them accessible to people of all fitness levels and ages. Many find Pilates a refreshing alternative to high-impact workouts. It offers a holistic approach to fitness that not only strengthens the body but also calms the mind, providing a sense of well-being and inner strength. HIIT, maximum output, minimum time. Short for high-intensity interval training, HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This approach is designed to push your body to its limits, maximizing calorie burn and improving cardiovascular fitness in a short amount of time. This method torches calories and boosts your metabolism. The intense effort required during these short bursts of activity means your body continues to burn calories even after the workout is over, a phenomenon known as the afterburn effect. HIIT workouts are time efficient, making them ideal for busy individuals. Whether you have 15 minutes or 45, you can fit a HIIT session into your schedule and still reap significant benefits. From burpees to mountain climbers, HIIT exercises vary, keeping your body guessing. This variety not only prevents workout boredom, but also ensures that different muscle groups are targeted, enhancing overall fitness. Always prioritize proper form over speed to prevent injuries. Proper technique is crucial in HIIT to avoid strains and sprains, ensuring you can continue to train effectively and safely. Section 5. Strength Training. Building a Powerful You. Strength training is a crucial component of any fitness regimen, designed to enhance your physical capabilities and overall health. Strength training involves using resistance to build muscle mass and strength. This can be achieved through various methods, including lifting dumbbells, using resistance bands, and performing bodyweight exercises. It encompasses free weights, resistance bands, and bodyweight exercises. Each of these tools offers unique benefits and can be tailored to fit your personal fitness goals. Strength training not only shapes your physique but also increases bone density and boosts metabolism. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall body composition. Don't be intimidated. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the resistance as you get stronger. It's important to progress at your own pace to avoid injury and ensure long-term success. Focus on proper form to avoid injuries. Proper technique is essential for maximizing the benefits of your workouts and preventing unnecessary strain on your body. Consider working with a trainer to learn the correct form and build a solid foundation.